Welcome to the middle cycle in machining at Easo Politeknikoa in San Sebastian. This middle cycle will qualify you to work in metalworking occupations such as machine tool fitter, machine tool operator, lathe, milling machine and boring machine operator, CNC machine setup and operator. We're pioneers in practicing challenge-based collaborative teaching methods to better develop students' personal skills. We also have a highly experienced teaching staff. You'll learn how to interpret plans, use different types of machinery and equipment, and operate computer numerical control machine tools. Both in the machine workshop environment and in the classroom, you'll learn about the appropriate safety measures. In this cycle, labor insertion is very high. You may work in the company where you did your internship or work-based apprenticeship. If you want to continue your studies after completing the cycle, our center offers high cycles in production programming in mechanical manufacturing and in mechanical manufacturing design. If you like mechanics and jobs that involve precision and machine handling, and you feel comfortable in the technical and industrial environment, come to our machining cycle.